Got them inches. Hey, got them inches. Ooh. So yes, I love my hair like this. You just do not understand. Like, what's up, y'all? We about to get into it. I'm about to do my hair, period. I already got my hair braided. Yes, let's get into it. So today, y'all, I'm gonna be using my lace glue to put on my wig today. And I'm gonna show y'all that this glue is usable. Like, you can still use it even if you don't have a blow dryer, because I ain't got no blow dryer because I left it in my mama's house. So I gotta do my hair without a blow dryer. But don't even trip, it's still gonna come out cute. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, period, and hit that subscribe button to join the family. Okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna apply this glue all over my hairline. I'm not gonna put it on my hair, I'm literally putting it like on my skin. I'm listening to a TikTok. This dude, he's spilling all the tea. Make sure you check him out. Get into him. Put on my little cap. This is a different process for me, y'all. I'm literally just doing this very quickly. And I ain't got that much product, so it's a getaway. And this is my wig I'm going to put on. This is the wig that I made by hand, so make sure you check that video out. And then just put it into the glue. So yeah, just work that lace into the glue. Boom. I ain't got nothing. I ain't got no got-to-be spray. I don't got no even spray. Because usually that's what I would use when I put my wig on. But yeah, I ain't got none of that today. I need to go to the beauty supply and stock up on my stuff. But yeah, now I'm gonna put on my meltdown band. Okay, and this band basically is gonna melt this lace into my skin. Keep that on for a little bit and then you're good to go. Okay, y'all, so my meltdown band has been on for a little minute. It's time to take it off. Okay. Yes, my hair. This lace is melted. I have some good lace glue, y'all. Better stop playing with it. So don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Alright, so now it's time to style it. Ooh, period. I'm super excited for this style, y'all. First off, never had before. I don't even really like the little bangs or whatever. Chinese bangs, bang. I never liked it, but we gonna see how it looks today. It's gonna be cute, period. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a part, a side part. Okay, so I'm gonna take my young wax stick here. Take the wax stick and put it where you wanna put it at. This is gonna help you get your hair flat. And we're gonna press it up. Okay, so now that you can clearly see my side part, I need to get to working on my bang. So let me just part it out real quick, see how I want it. That was pretty easy, huh? I just gotta get the parting better. Okay, so this is gonna be my bang. So now let me work on flattening this area here. Okay, y'all, so I got everything flattened and ready to go. Now I just need to cut my bangs. I'm gonna do my baby hairs and all that later. I should have just did one of these bangs. That would be cute instead of doing one of these bangs. Okay, so I'm gonna take my hot comb and just press it down. Be careful not to burn yourself. Okay, so my bang, I'm just gonna take it and I'm just gonna twist it like this and I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it right here. Hey! Okay, now I gotta curl it. Okay. Yeah, I need more followers on TikTok so I can start going live. Like I could literally be live right now doing my hair on TikTok, but they be hating on your girl. I don't know, I think my account is shadow banned or something, I don't know. But I be taking hella breaks, getting irritated because the numbers don't be just adding up. But yeah, I need to get it together. We're on my TikTok so I can start going live. But yeah. And I hope y'all ain't throwing away y'all wigs, cause that's just dumb. Cause you spending, I know you spending a lot of money on them. If you need help, just let me know in the comments, period. Cause you see me, I stay reusing the wig. I'm gonna reuse my wig until I can't reuse it no more. I'm gonna use that bitch like 4 or 5 times. Each time it's gonna be looking good. So yeah, if you need your wig revamped, let me know. I actually love this hairstyle. That's the reason why I wanted it. I was like, oh, that's cute. I don't like hair like that. Because usually I'm a little swoop girl, but hey, I look cute with these things. Period. And I don't even got my makeup done yet. Bussin'. Put some of this, a lot of body. Onion water. Have y'all ever heard of somebody washing their hair with onion water? Okay, yeah, so you just put that lot of body mousse on just to, you know, get it flat. Lay it down. So yeah, make sure everything is nice and flat. You could like tie your hair down. Just tie it down for a little bit just to get it all flat and all that. But I ain't doing all that. You don't put no onion water on your hair. You drink some onion water when you're sick. But, oh, for alopecia? Hold on. You do onion water if you got alopecia? See, I'm learning, y'all. Okay. So, yes. I'm gonna come back with the finished look. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I love my hair. Like, I love my hair. It came out so pretty. Hey, got them inches. Ooh, got them inches. Hold on. Got them inches. Hey, got them inches. Ooh. So, yes. I love my hair like this. You just do not understand. Like, I'm loving the bang, period. So, yes. I'm so glad I didn't do like the little normal swoopty girly or whatever. I'm a bang girly. And I'm loving it, period. Hey, so, period. I need to stop saying period so much. I need to come up with my own little twang. Come up with my own little twang. You feeling me? But yeah, girl. Yeah, y'all. I slayed my makeup too. Like, ooh, look at the highlight. Peep the highlight. This how you look when you be doing your own makeup and hair. This how you get the look. Yes. Because if I would have let somebody else do this, I swear I would not be looking this good. I'd be killing it. So if you want me to slay you, slay your makeup, slay your hair, your nails, like I be doing mine, make sure you hit me up, period. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much the end of this video. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye.